So today we're going to add a little bit more to slide 27, Más Vocabulario. You guys did this 2 class periods ago. So for Gold Day, that was, it's a little different for everybody because of Terra Nova. So if you could, after watching this video or prior to watching this video, go to slide 27. It should look like this. There's 3 question marks that we didn't fill in, and I think we should because I'm seeing some grammar issues with some sentences. So in Spanish, there are 2 words for the word and. Okay, so we're going to put and then we're going to put and over here. But it depends on what word comes after the and. So most of the time, you are safe to use the word e. Now, what's kind of scary is I hear many of you guys or saw many of you guys writing the letter E. When I'm saying E, it is the letter Y, boys and girls. It is not the letter E. So please erase that from your mind. Some of you are putting E when it should be the letter Y. It's pronounced E, but it is the letter Y, boys and girls. That one is used almost 90% of the time. I'm going to do something a little bit more. I'm also going to kind of add a plus mark because it's affirmative. Okay, so and plus sign equals E. However, and plus sign before, oh, this is not going to fit. You're going to have to write this smaller after I'm done or highlight it. Before a word with I sound. And again, I should have done this for you, and I did not. But this is coming up, and we need to fix it. I'm making this font. I made that a 5. That is way too small, though. Let's make it a 7, and then maybe make this and part here a little smaller. You'll have to play with it. I'm sorry. It is not ideal. I know it's hard on the iPad, but basically, boys and girls, when you're saying the word and the word that comes after the and has an I sound, and boys and girls, there's literally only 3 examples, and I'm going to go up and show you. And those 3 examples are impaciente, intelectual, inteligente. All 3 of these start with an I, so you cannot say E before them. Okay, these are the only 3. If you actually start with E, it doesn't matter. But if after the and is one of these 3, you must not use the Y, E. You actually do get to use the letter E, but it's pronounced A. So for example, do not write this down. I'm just giving us an example. Let's say I was talking about, somebody and I want to say that they are smart or they're hardworking and intelligent. So let's do it's a guy. Él es trabajador. And so again, many of you would probably put the Y, E, but look at the word for intelligent. It's inteligente. So the rule is that you cannot have a Y. You must change that Y to an E. So again, when the second word after, or the word after and is starting with an I, it must change to E. Él es trabajador e inteligente, because it's too hard to say inteligente. It's repetitive. Okay. And the last thing that we also need to talk about is like saying and, but in a negative way, which is actually like saying nor, boys and girls, nor, and that's negative. So I'm not this nor that. You never say I'm not tall and fat. You don't say that in English. We say, I'm not tall nor fat. I know you've probably never said it to yourself, but that's correct. It's not supposed to say not. It's supposed to be nor, N-O-R, nor. So the word for nor in Spanish is ni and I. So let me give you an example of that. She is not lazy nor silly. Okay, so in Spanish, we would say, ella no es perezosa ni tonta. So again, you would add in a ni because it's saying that she's not that way, not and. So some of you guys are also writing sentences, and I saw that you were struggling with that. So again, these are minor little things, but grammatically, some of you did not know that the word for and was E, the letter Y. And these two we've never really talked about before, but I wanted to bring them up because you're writing those sentences about your famous person, and I want them to be correct. Okay? If you have a question, obviously put it in the, comments for today's lesson, or you can always send me an email. Gracias. Again, you do not have to do this red box. That was just trying to show you how to use the and the ni.